Dsers Aliexpress Dropshipping tutorial for beginners. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Dsers Aliexpress in dropshipping right here in Shopify. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we continue, I just want to let you guys know that you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at only $1 per month. So I will leave a link down in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website, and by doing so, you'll also support the channel. So yeah, let's get right back into the video. So to start off, what we need to do is to install the Dsers app into our Shopify. So what you need to do is just go to apps right here, and then just go to all recommended apps. And then what you need to do now is just go to find more apps in the Shopify app store. So just click on that. And then after that, just go to the search bar right here and then just search up for Dsers. So just search up for Dsers. And then what you need to do is to just install Dsers Aliexpress Dropshipping right here. So what you need to do is to install Dsers Aliexpress Dropshipping right here. So just click on that. And then once you're here, just click on install. And then before you install, Dsers is going to ask you that it will need access to your data, like personal data and your stored data. So once you're sure that you're ready to share your data with Dsers, just click on install and then it will start installing. And then after that, you'll be redirected to the Dsers website, so it will ask you to create an account. So you can create an account for you or you can register yourself. But if you already have an account, you can just log in right here just by clicking on this. So for me, I'll just create an account for myself. So just click on create an account for you. Then after that, you'll be redirected here in which you can choose your plans for Dsers. So they have an enterprise plan, a pro plan, and an advanced plan. So feel free to check out what kind of plan suits you. But for me, I'll just start with the basic plan, which is just free. So just click on get started right there. Next thing that we need to do now is to link to suppliers. So from here, what we need to do is to select our supplier, which will be AliExpress. So just click on AliExpress right here, and then it will ask you to link and authorize AliExpress. So just log in your AliExpress account, but if you don't have one, you can just register. So I'll just log in my AliExpress account. And then once you're done signing in your AliExpress account, you'll be redirected here to the homepage of Dsers. But before we proceed, I just want to remind you guys that you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at $1 per month. So again, I will leave a link down in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website, and by doing so, you also support the channel. So when you click on the link down in the description below, when I go to select a plan right here, these 3 plans right here, the basic, Shopify, and advanced plan, will only cost you $1 per month. So the original price for basic is $19. For the Shopify plan, it's $49. For the advanced plan is $299. But when you click on the link down in the description below, these 3 plans right here will only cost you $1 per month. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and let's get back to the video. So now, what we're gonna do is to look for products that we can sell in our Shopify store. So what you can do is just go to product research right here, and then in here you can find like the trending products that are being sold right now. So as you can see over here, these are the trending products that are being sold right now. So to import products, what you want to do is just go to find suppliers, and then from here you can find different products that you can sell in your Shopify store. So you can search up some keywords relating to the products that you want to sell, or what you can do is you just filter out the categories of what product you want to sell just by clicking on these 3 bars right here. So you can filter out what kind of products you want to sell. If you want to sell something related to computers, your home and garden, office supplies, and a lot more. So as an example, I'll try to sell products that are related to computer and office. So I'll just click on that, and then there you go. So it will refresh the page, and then I can see different kinds of products that I can sell related to technology. So as an example, I'll try to sell a desktop case right here, a micro ATX desktop case. So to add this to your list, just go to hover your mouse on the product, and then just click on these 3 bars right here that says add to import list. So just click on that, and then after that it will ask you to import your language, so I'll just leave mine at English, and then there you go. So when I hover my mouse again on the product, it says that product has been imported. So it says right here the product successfully imported, so you can check out that product in your list, or you can still choose to stay and look for more products. So for example, I'll just go check on my product, and then I'll be redirected here to the import list. And then from here, what we can do is push our product to store, or we can still edit out the details of our product. So to edit out the details of your product, what you want to do is just go to the pencil right here that says edit products, just click on that, and then from here we can edit out the details of our product that we want to sell in our Shopify store. You can also utilize the AI of Dsers if you want to. So as an example, I'll just remove some parts right here since the name of the product is too long. So let's say I just want to leave it like that. John's Bow C6 IDX handle case Micro ATX ITX. And then after that, what you can do is to add the reference weight of your product, so how much your product weighs. So as an example, I'll just put it around 2 kilograms. And then from here, what you can do is to input the length and width and height of your product, so the dimensions of your product. Or what you can do is just use the default parcel information which can be found on the product. So as an example, I'll just list down like some sample lengths. So let's say 40, 50, and then 40 again. And then once you're done, what you can do is to edit out the collection of your product, the type of product, the tags, and vendor. So feel free to fill all of those out. And then from here, you can also change the image of your product. So just click on change image right here, and then you can change the image of your product. Moving on is we have variants. So if you have multiple variants of your product, they will show them right here. And then from here, you can also edit out the prices of your product. So you can change the prices of your product just by clicking on these arrows right here, or you can manually type your products. You can also input the stock of your products right here. Moving on is we have the description. So you can add the description of your products right here. So what's the brand name, the size, etc, etc. Next is we have images right here. So from here we can add the images of our product. So we will add images right here on what our product will look like. So you can either delete images right here or add more images. Moving on is we have shipping info. So we can add like a country right here in where we can ship our product. So for example, I'll just look for a country, let's say Canada, and then once you're done choosing your country, you can choose what shipping company you want them to ship at. So as an example, I'll just use the AliExpress standard shipping. I'll just click on that, and then once you're done, you can either push this product to store or save. So once you're done editing out the details of your product, just click on push to store if you wanted to add it to your Shopify store. So I'll just do that. So just make sure to click on save, wait for this to load, and then this thing will pop up. So it will ask you to these preference right here. So you can do the pricing rule. So basically what this does, pricing rule includes pricing templates, currency, and assigned cents. If you check this box, the pricing rule will be applied to your products prices according to the pricing rules you set in setting. Next is we have continue selling without stock. So if you check this feature, but the feature is not supported by the platform you're using, so this feature won't work. Next is also publish to online store. So if you check this feature, this product will be published immediately to your online store. You can also push product specifications, automatic inventory update, automatic price update, and manual price update. So feel free to check out which preferences you would like to check for your product. So once you're done editing out these preferences, what you can do now is to just push it to your store. So just click on push to stores, wait for that to load, and then you are done. So as you can see, it now has a check mark. So when we go back to Shopify, go to products, as you can see, our product is already here in Shopify and it is also active. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to drop ship using Dsers in Shopify.